no cards. You have to, end the war. So from that point on, till now, Donald Trump has certainly lost some sort of patience with President Putin, and he has pressed President Putin as well to sort of arrive at a peace deal because war is no solution. War is not a solution to anything. So that remains to be seen. And of course, New Delhi has skin in the game because of oil tariffs. How the topic is broached by the Indian government and how is that likely to be received by Russian officials, by President Putin, that remains to be seen. Now, important to note as far as the itinerary is concerned, the president's schedule is concerned. Well, he will be leaving for the prime minister's residence for a dinner, and tomorrow is the main day. Tomorrow is a ceremonial reception, first at 11 a.m. at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then he will be going to Rajghat for the wreath-laying ceremony, and then he has a meeting with the prime minister Narendra Modi, after which both the sides will be giving out their respective joint press statements, rather, in terms of where all convergences could be seen. If New Delhi and Kremlin have to close in the trade gap, then there are certain sectors in terms of exports that they could look at. First is mobility. There is also agri-exports, but we can't really rely on just agri-exports is also the word that was given by India's Commerce Secretary, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, this afternoon as well. So there are several other sectors like leather, textiles, which could be looked at. IT services. Services is, remember, services exports from India have consistently been high. And this is something that could be presented to the Russian side as well. We are already exporting quantities of pomegranates, potatoes. So agri exports are already taking place. And